Hey there, and welcome to our amazing community here at Best Nurse Ever. I'm Tara, and today I want to take you through some of the awesome resources we have to help you succeed in your nursing journey. First, let's talk about our nursing notes and video guides. These are your go-to resources for mastering the most important topics in your nursing career. Each module is packed with concise, easy to understand video lessons designed to break down complex concepts into manageable chunks. Whether you're prepping for an exam or just need a quick refresher, these videos have got you covered. Now, what makes these lessons so special is that they're tailored to focus on the key areas you need to know. We've done the heavy lifting, so you can focus on learning and applying these concepts in real-life scenarios. Plus, each video is paired with detailed nursing guides that you can review anytime, anywhere. It's like having a nursing study buddy who's always available. Next, let's dive into the community tab. This is where the magic of collaboration happens. Here, you can interact with other students and experienced nurses from the BNE community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and even help others with their queries. What's cool is that your engagement doesn't just stop at learning. Every time you comment, share insights, or answer questions, you earn points. And guess what? These points can be redeemed for awesome prizes. It's our way of rewarding you for being an active part of this community. So dive into these modules, make the most of our video lessons and nursing notes, and don't forget to be an active member of our community. Not only will you strengthen your understanding, but you'll also be helping others along the way and earning some cool rewards while you're at it. Happy studying, and I can't wait to see you in the comments.